Hey guys, we got out here a little bit late tonight. We are going to be shooting the CMMG 458 Anvil. I've got some new bullets, black butterfly, 300 grain nozzler Spitzer tips. So we're going to just check for zero real quick. Got some blue steel targets down here that we can see real good with the thermal. So it should be pretty good. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the moon's coming up. It's a full moon tonight. In fact, I'm going to switch to infrared mode on this camera because I don't think we're picking up anything. And here we go. That should be much better. And we'll just check for zero real quick on the rifle, and if that's good, we're going to go hunt some tall corn tonight and see what we can find in there. So one of the reasons we're using the 458 this weekend is we're hunting some tall crops. Can't really see the hogs that well, and you know, without the perfect shot placement, we want something that's going to knock them down. I'd say we're good to go. Let's go check the target. And look at that. Freaking perfect. Man, that 458 really hammers. That thing's still swinging. Awesome. This is what we're dealing with. This farmer has not been able to cut his crops because of, well, first it was the mud, then his combine broke. And of course this is a fence line here, but just on the other side, all the corn is still high. For reference, I'm gonna stand in this stuff. It is chest to over my head tall. So I mean, I'm 6 foot. And it's over me with the helmet and the night vision on, so having to sit up on top of the truck to kind of see in here. I can only see the biggest ones. Got him. left my IR marker out there so that I could find them. Even with thermal and all these high crops, I mean, it's just, this is the problem. It took me about 30 minutes just to find the first hog here. We got several of them out here. He's a good sized pig, and you can just catch a glimpse of him, you know, every once in a while. Now down the rows you can see something, and that's how I found him. I started walking down the middle and going down the rows. This crop has not been harvested yet, and they have pretty much destroyed it. Here's what they're doing. I can't tell when you're just looking at it from this perspective, but they're out here. That's a size 11.5 boot, and that hole just, actually these are size 11. They didn't make 11.5. And they're just digging these plants out time after time after time. And what happens is, like right now, when the farmer comes in here with his combine, now he's got these, you know, big old holes to deal with, and it tears up all of his equipment. And it's just like going down the road with massive potholes. And like I said, I mean, you can't tell it from just looking out there, but these holes, I mean, that was a good, probably 6 inches deep right there, and they're just getting down and getting the roots out of all this. This was Milo. They actually did harvest this part of it before they got, but when they get out here, it's so rough now that it just destroys the equipment. If you can get the wind right, you can actually see them down these rows. Anyway, just wanted to show you the destruction that they're doing out here. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the first hunt with the CMMG Anvil 458 Socom. It couldn't have came at a better time hunting these tall crops. Even that cut Milo, as you saw, was hard to see him in there. Had to get up on top of the truck. Shot placement, you know, is always critical, but not so much with the 458 Socom. One of the ones I ended up finding out of the ones that got hit at 200 yards took a through and through hip shot, and he only went about 10 foot and fell over dead. So that's pretty impressive for a hog. They're, as you know, they're very tough. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. We have some more videos coming with the 458, some ballistic gel test, a bunch of unique bullets that we're going to try. So stay tuned. This won't be the only one that we have, but this was a pretty impressive showing for the first hunt. Got some big boars in some tough situations. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please comment below. If you have not, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.